Welcome to Talk Learner. Get ready to test your English skills and learn something new today. Let's find out your English level based on your score. Are you ready? Cool. Good. Let's start the test. Neither the teacher nor the students ready for the trip. A was B, have been C, are. Option C is the correct answer. She to submit the form by Friday. A must be, has C, have. Option B is the correct answer. If it tomorrow, we will cancel the match. A rains, B. Rained, C, rain. Option A is the correct answer. I look forward to, from you. A, hear B, heard C, hearing. Option C is the correct answer. The news been confirmed by the officials. A, have B, has C, are. Option B is the correct answer. Each of the players a locker. A has B, have C, having. Option A is the correct answer. By 8 p.m., they the report. A, finish B, finished, C, will have finished. Option C is the correct answer. The book, along with the notes, on the table. A, are B, is C, were. Option B is the correct answer. She prefers tea coffee. A to B, then C over. Option A is the correct answer. We dinner when the doorbell rang. A, have B, are having, C, were having. Option C is the correct answer. Neither of the answers correct. A, are B, is C, were. Option B is the correct answer. The manager demanded that she sent twice on time. A, arrive, B, arrives, C, arrived. Option A is the correct answer. It's high time we A, leave, B, leaves, C, left. Option C is the correct answer. He has fewer problems before. A, then B, then C, 2. Option B is the correct answer. The committee agreed to the proposal. A, has B, have C, having. Option A is the correct answer. She accused him the money. A. To steal. B. For stealing, cc, of stealing. Option C is the correct answer. By next year, I in Paris for a decade. A. Live. B. Will have lived. C. Have lived. Option B is the correct answer. Little known about the cause. A. Is B. Are C. Were. Option A is the correct answer. I wish I taller. A. Am. B. Was C. Were. Option C is the correct answer. The athlete ran than before. A. Fastly. B. Faster. C. More fast. Option B is the correct answer. She insisted on the bill. A. Paying. B. Pay. C. To pay. Option A is the correct answer. The movie by millions last weekend. A. Was C. B. Saw. C. Was seen. Option C is the correct answer. He rarely mistakes. A. Make. B. Makes. C. Made. Option B is the correct answer. Not only late, but he also forgot the notes. A. Did he arrive? B. He arrived. C. He had arrived. Option A is the correct answer. She'd rather you now. A. Leave. B. Leaving. C. Left. Option C is the correct answer. The number of applicants increased. A. Have. B. Has. C. Are. Option B is the correct answer. Neither my parents nor my brother coming. A. Is. B. Are. C. Were. Option A is the correct answer. He apologized late. A. To be B. For. BC. For being. Option C is the correct answer. I him since 2015. A. Know. B. Have known. C. Knew. Option B is the correct answer. If I you, I would call her. A. Were. B. Was. C. He. Am. Option A is the correct answer. She can't help when she's nervous. A. To laugh. B. Laugh. C. Laughing. Option C is the correct answer. The police investigating the case, A is B, are C was. Option B is the correct answer. We need to the difference. A, make B made C, making. Option A is the correct answer. The work must by Monday. A, completed. B, be complete. C, be completed. Option C is the correct answer. Neither of them seen the film. A, have, B, has, C, are. Option B is the correct answer. She let me early. A, go B to go C, going. Option A is the correct answer. He promised me tomorrow. A, calling B, called C to call. Option C is the correct answer. The furniture delivered yesterday. A were B was C are. Option B is the correct answer. If only he more careful. A where B is C has been. Option A is the correct answer. The meeting was postponed, the strike. A, because B, do C, due to. Option C is the correct answer. Everyone their own opinion. A, have B, has C, are. Option B is the correct answer. We arrived the airport early. A at B to C in. We arrived the airport early. A at B to C in. We arrived the airport early. A at B to C Option in.
A
is the
we
correct
arrived
answer.
the airport.
She objected late. A to arrive, B, arriving, C to arriving. Option C is the correct answer. He has been absent Monday. A for B, since C, from. Option B is the correct answer. Scarcely when the lights went out. A, had we started. B, we had started. C, have we started? Option A is the correct answer. She suggested that he a break. A takes, B took, C take. Option C is the correct answer. The car, as well as the bikes, knew. A, are, B, is, C, were. Option B is the correct answer. He would rather at home tonight. A, stay, B, stayed, C. Staying. Option A is the correct answer. I'm used to up early. A. To wake. B. Wake. C. Waking. Option C is the correct answer. The teacher asked whether we, the assignment. A. Have finished. B. Had finished. C. Finished. Option B is the correct answer. Share it with your friends, and ask them to participate in this test. Comment your achieved scores and subscribe for more. Bye-bye.